Stahls has a wide variety of heat transfer vinyl that comes with a reflective finish. I want to explain to you the 3 different options that we have out today and the differences between each. Our most popular is our 3M Scotchlite Reflective. 3M Scotchlite Reflective is ANSI certified, it's our highest visibility material, and people often use it for the function, for high visibility for roadside work crews and the like. So Scotchlite Reflective, you can purchase it by the roll, or you can purchase it by the logo that's already cut and weeded that just comes to you ready to apply. Some common uses for this are the high visibility safety vests like you see here. Now, there is also another basic silver reflective material that just comes in one color. That product is called our Reflective II. The reason we created it is sometimes you just need the look of reflective without the ANSI certification. And so we're able to create our Reflective II with a little bit lower candle power, and you can get that product for a lot less money. And we see customers using Reflective II when they just want the finish, whether that's for a company that's working inside most often that wants the look of reflective, or whether that's even into the sports and spirit market or promo market where reflective is a popular finish. Our Reflective II is a nice comparable to the 3M Reflective as far as the silver color, but it doesn't have the candle power or the ANSI certification. Again, it's for the look, not the function. Now, if you want to take another step out into fashion and getting more looks in reflective, that's where we bring in our Hi-Vis Color Reflective. Our Hi-Vis Color Reflective comes in more than just silver. That's the point. You add the color to it. And the Hi-Vis Color Reflective comes in 7 colors at the producing of this video. So whether you want to do a tonal result with black on black or even navy on pink like you're seeing here, the Hi-Vis Color Reflective is a great way to match a color that your client wants. Again, this product is not ANSI certified, but it does have the glass bead technology that when you hit it with a camera flash or with light, it reflects back to the source. And so we've seen companies use this, whether it's for hiking and something that looks cool when you're in low light conditions, perhaps early in the morning or late at night, or even for track jackets for a dance school. There's a lot of applications and opportunities for Hi-Vis Color Reflective. Again, regardless of what reflective finish you want to use for your business, know that you can purchase all 3 of these products by the roll for cutting on a vinyl cutter and producing graphics to be heat applied, or you can set up an account with Stahls.com and order them cut, weeded, and ready to apply to your door. For those of you who may be new to heat transfer, let's show you the application of a reflective design from start to finish. And for that application, we've selected our Reflective II product, and we'll be pressing it to a basic long sleeve t-shirt over on our Hotronix Auto Open clamp. We'll start by loading our t-shirt onto the press. I like to split my t-shirt open and thread it onto the base of the press to get to one single layer of fabric to make sure I get an accurate application and even equal pressure. I've already pre-programmed the press to 290 degrees for 12 seconds. I'm going to start with the preheat, and that removes some of the moisture from the cotton garment that I'm decorating. Now, if you order the designs pre-cut and ready to apply from Stahls, it's really simple. You just trim them apart, remove the backing from the media, and we have our adhesive here that's on the reflective design. This has been cut and weeded for me. And so everything comes in a mirror image. It has a little bit of a tackiness to the background. I'm just going to position it into place on my garment, making sure it is straight. This says Volt Power Company, and it can be a logo. You just upload any design is fine. And then we lock the heat press down for that 10 to 12 seconds, that medium pressure that the application calls for. Every reflective material that you purchase comes with a different application for time, temperature, and pressure, so make sure you follow the instructions. In this case, we have a product that's a warm to a hot peel, and so I'm just going to let this cool down a little bit, about 5 or 10 seconds, and then we'll grab the corner and remove it. If you accidentally peel it too quick and the corner lifts up, no big deal, you just put that back down and we'll do another complete application on it. But in this case, it's cooled down, so I grab the corner, remove it away, and we have our finished result. Let's move that over to the table to get a close-up look. All of the reflective finishes that you've seen in this video are guaranteed to outlast the garment when applied properly. If you'd like to try any of these products for your business, all you need to do is click the link in the description and you'll be able to head on over to Stahls.com where you can set up an account and request a free heat transfer sample so you can try it for yourself. Thanks for watching.